Hello guys, welcome to CJSOCKS channel. Today we will talk about customized socks with logo. Many individuals or companies who are just starting to make socks are very interested in this issue. So let's talk about it. Most factories can customize socks with logo for you. You only need to provide the design file. The format of the design can be PDF, AI file, or images. For example, when we receive the customer's design file, our production department will learn and discuss with our customers whether some revisions need to be made, because some designs cannot be produced, such as there are more than 6 colors per socks, patterns are too small, etc. The MOQ set by each factory will also be different. Usually, 200 pairs to 500 pairs per design is available, and you can also customize the samples and package. Most factories are happy to develop new products with you. If you have any more questions about socks production, welcome to contact me. Shortly reply. Thanks for your time.